that Sequoia na si Stephen Hurt, who has been dealing Hurt business yesterday. But of course, the onus for these teams is to win this game first, and for Dame Dala going winless in Pool C yesterday, that left a bad taste in their mouths. And I was talking to Ryan Monteglaro yesterday. He's determined to lead this Vietnamese team to victory today.
Down low they go, the Malaysian team. They score the first basket. Galeski answers right back with an undergoal stab of his own. The shot from the outside, it will roll out. Monteclaro gets the rebound. Monteclaro tightly guarded by Yeng Jiang. Monteclaro tried to sneak in the layup. Galeski kicks it out. Two-point shot, specialty of the house coming from John Yun Yu.
And Jun Yu just wanting to break out yesterday. Didn't really get much opportunities for Dame Dala, but now you expect him to hit those 2-pointers.
You saw Chong Zhenyang trying to pull the chair, but it will stay with Dame Dala. This is Hyun. Inside they go, Galeski once more. Michael Galeski.
He's showing us that agility. He loves that alley-oop play and the interior passes, but you see the response from Kuala Lumpur. That was Chong Zhenyang.
This was the basket earlier by Galeski, and the answer later on by Zhenyang, the lefty from Harimau, Malaysia.
Yeah, Chong Zhenyang, ranked number 14 in Malaysia, played for Rising Star Exa in the Vietnamese 3x3 tournament, and now being a staple of this 3x3 team, which serves as a national team for Malaysia.
Zhang Feng with a two-point shot. Ji Feng once more showing the range. They now lead 5-4. Monteclaro with an emphatic response.
Talking about range, this guy's got limitless range.
Oh yeah, no question. The drive inside will work from Zhenyang. Alley-oop to Michael Galeski, just like that.
I told you, he loves that alley-oop play. He haunts those passes underneath.
And a foul whistled against Dame Dala. 7-6, under 8 minutes left. Mei Mei has yet to take a shot. The pass outside, Ji Feng once more with a two-pointer.
And you know, this has been the MO for Kuala Lumpur yesterday. They've really improved when it came to their outside shooting, and that enabled them to win in that game against Yu Guard.
Halos ganun din yung ginawa sa kanila ng Ninja Airs. Those three-point shots earlier by Kosuke Kashiwao. And Kuala Lumpur trying to duplicate that here against Dame Dala. Galeski missing the free throw. Ball tapped. It will go to Harimau, Malaysia. The Kuala Lumpur-based squad, inside they go. Monteclaro clears it. Down by 1. Monteclaro got rejected. Gets it back. Lobs it up. Galeski back to Monteclaro. Shot clock winding down. And referee trying to sort things out here. 4 seconds left on the shot clock. Tight contest so far, 8-7. Kuala Lumpur leading by 1. Dame Dala will get possession here. Monteclaro against Zhenyang. Monteclaro immediately rises for the two-point shot. Zhenyang, oh what a pass. And free there was Zhen Kang.
I've been very impressed with this Kuala Lumpur team. They've been getting buckets from all over. Very disciplined, following their practice plays to a T.
Monteclaro has misfired from the outside. Zhenyang. Solid screen provided by Zhen Kang. Jen Young gets it back, goes for the reverse. It's 10-7 now for Kuala Lumpur. But the answer on the other side, 3-point shot by Don Procianos. 10-9, 6 minutes and 46 seconds left.
And look at that play from Dame Dala. That's just swish from Don Procianos. Nakakahawa din kasi pag nakakita ka ng ganyan kang pinarayan Monteclaro, may inggit ka rin eh. Gusto mo rin na, pati ikaw nakakashoot ka rin eh.
Oo, syempre naman. Ayaw mo magpatalo dyan.
Oo eh.
And we currently have a timeout. Just 1 point separating these two squads. Kuala Lumpur doing it by shooting from the outside. We have a good sized crowd here in Ayala Malls.
Yeah, just enjoying the action here. And again, entrance is free. As much as we appreciate them joining us on our broadcast, we'd love to see them here and watching these games in person.
Oo, libre naman yung ticket. Pero kayo bahala sa pagkain nyo. Marami namang kainan dito eh.
Nasa paligid lang eh.
Oo.
It's a Sunday, so family day.
First shot by Maymay. Multiple putback attempts. Finally scores his first point. Tin Chung Hong. Oh, the cross with the sauce, but the back shot will not work. Maymay puts it on the deck. Maymay goes right at his defender, and he gives up a foul against John Hyung-Yu. 11-9, Kuala Lumpur up by 2.
Yeah, Tin Chun Hong, just a staple of this national team for quite a while now, and now he's looked at as a leader for Kuala Lumpur.
Step back jumper from Ryan Monteclaro, no good. Oh, John Hyun-Yu stealing the pocket of Jen Yang and scores. Lead down to 1. Zifang, that time a miss from the outside. And Maymay, just before the basket, got fouled.
And you see the acknowledgement of Kuala Lumpur, seeing that only Ryan Monteclaro is down low. That's an advantage, a glaring size advantage that they can exploit.
Jen Yang got bumped by John. 6 seconds left on a shot clock. Jen Yang has to make his move. Take
Nice
out pass. Zifang again sets his feet. Has misfired from the outside the last 2 times. Step back, got blocked. Monteclaro recovers. Galeski back to Monteclaro off the glass. We are tied 11-all.
Nice quick passing for Dame Dala.
The quick reply by Jen Yang. And a foul against Kuala Lumpur, up by 1.
And look at that last play once again from Dame Dala. Almost a botched play after Ryan Monteclaro got blocked, but the understanding between Monteclaro and Galeski to conjure a basket despite having 2 defenders.
Great save by Maymay, keeping it inbounds. Tin Chung Hong drives left, attacks, puts it in, plus a foul.
He just got the advantage on the drive against John Hyun Woo. And you see Tin Chun Hong making his move. Napakagat itong si Mike Galeski. And John is just late on the recovery.
Wasn't really looking for a shot in the early stages of this one, but has become more aggressive as the game progressed.
And sometimes the defense gives you that, so you just gotta take that with full confidence.
Kasi kung napapanood nyo to sa Malaysia, walang bad shot dito kay Maymay.
Sobrang green nung green light
Green light, totoo. Maymay though missing the free throw. John Hyun-Yu, short. Maymay fakes again. The drive by Zhen Kang off the glass. No, gets it back. Still no go. Fight for the rebound. Malaysia still has it. Kuala Lumpur. Zifang, quick trigger. Yes, sir.
And once again, the outside shooting helping Kuala Lumpur keep Dame Dala at bay. And that was just nice passing being conjured and being made by the boys in white.
Creating some separation now. Harimau Malaysia. Monteclaro drew a foul while taking a 2-point shot.
Again, you can't be safe whenever Ryan Monteclaro has the leather. Somehow, some way, he will find a way to draw a foul or find a shot. And sometimes, mas gusto niya nga yung mas mahirap.
Palagay ko si Chris Paul din pinapanood nito. Ni Ryan Monteclaro. Knocks down the first free throw. Oh, trying to miss it.
Kumbaga bago pa magka-Jamoran.
Oo,
SGA. May Ryan Monteclaro na.
Reverse layup by Jen Yang. Monteclaro, quick trigger, no good. And a foul will be called against the team of Dame Dollar.
And that's going to be a problem for them now because they have 16 fouls.
Uh-huh.
One more, they are in penalty, which would mean 2 free throws. And that's going to be bad news for them as they still trail by 4.
And syempre, magbabago din yung depensa nila dyan. And well, not much resistance on that shot by Zhen Kang. Yongjin Kang. The crossover by John, the up fake. The shot will bounce out. Gets it back though, Monteclaro. Drives. Wraparound pass to Michael Galeski, something we haven't seen in the last couple of minutes.
Has been neutralized by this Kuala Lumpur team. And once again, Kuala Lumpur just attacking the defense of John Hyun-woo. And that just got them in penalty. Basically negating yung magandang play ni Mike Galeski in the previous possession.
And this is what you're talking about, being in penalty already. 2 shots at the line. Jen Yang knocks down the first. 2 for 2. 19-13.
Namumuro na.
Monteclaro crossover, stepping back over Ji Feng. Zhen Yang, the rebound. Attacks. Got rejected by John Hyun-woo. John, inside. Rejected din by Zhen Yang.
Right back at you.
Sa agutan ng supalpal doon. May can't get it. Ball tracked down by Ryan Monteclaro. Monteclaro probing. Ball tapped away by May. It will stay with Dame Dollar. And Dame Dollar asking for a timeout. Down by 6, 3 minutes and 23 seconds left. And they really have had no answer for the dribble penetration of Zhen Yang.
And really, you have to attribute that Mike Galeski has been silent in this last few minutes. It also doesn't help that yung outside shooting nitong Dame Dollar has not really connected after that onset. It's not that they're not trying, it's that it's not falling.
Oo naman. Talagang, yun nga, bayan na binanggit mo na wala na rin sa eksena si Michael Galeski. And now he fires from the outside.
Yeah, the shot clock was winding down. They had no other recourse.
For the win, May puts it in, and that's gonna do it. Harimau Malaysia advances to the quarterfinals, defeating Dame Dollar 21-13.
And just continuing their impressive showing in the Pilipinas United 3x3 League.